Hello, I'm Brianna and welcome back to the Henna Guys Frequently Asked Questions. Today we'll be talking about what you should not do after dyeing your hair with henna. Number one, do not wash your hair with a sulfate shampoo. This is going to be listed in the ingredients. Sulfate shampoos strip the oils from the hair colors from the hair. You really want to aim for a shampoo like the Henna Guys sells, or something that has sulfate free on the front of the package. This goes for right after you dye your hair and during the entire process of using henna. Number two, if you want your hair color to last longer, don't wash it with super hot water. This goes especially for after you've just dyed your hair, but if you want to have the color last a little bit longer, then refrain from washing your hair in super hot water altogether. Number three, after you dye your hair with henna, you want to refrain from using any kind of heat on it for the first 24 hours. That includes blow drying it, straightening, curling. You just want to let the henna fully absorb into your hair without the interference of any heat. Number four is to not swim in a chlorinated pool or the salt ocean for 1 to 2 weeks. The salt and the chlorine can both strip the henna from your hair faster and make it look a lot more dull, so you want to refrain from doing those for 1 to 2 weeks. Lastly, if you are interested in dyeing over your henna with chemical hair dye, it is fine to do it right afterwards, but we do recommend 2 to 4 weeks of a break in between. That's it for what not to do after dyeing your hair with henna. Stay tuned for other frequently asked questions.